BJP Minister Qureshi calls sister of terrorism. Will the Prime Minister sack her? The whole country is feeling proud of her. The whole country is calling her a sister. The whole country is feeling proud to have her. Everywhere she is being discussed. BJP ministers are declaring her to be the sister of terrorist. Colonel Sofia Qureshi, who killed terrorists in Pakistan, has been called sister of terrorist by a BJP leader. Even after the Pahalgam incident, a gathering by the Chhattisgarh BJP unit was quite controversial, in which it was written that religion was asked, but caste was not. Right now, while the whole country is praising Colonel Sofia Qureshi and feeling proud, on the other hand, a BJP leader has called her sister of terrorist. Now you must be surprised. Why has the BJP leader called Colonel Sofia Qureshi sister of terrorism? Actually, this statement of the BJP leader is going viral very fast. BJP leader Vijay Shah is seen saying that Dutch who destroyed the vermilion of our sisters Mang, we sent their sister and did the same to them. Now Vijay Shah called Qureshi sister because she is a Muslim. As soon as they get a chance, Hindus and Muslims start doing this and that to on what issue? Just look at this. When every child understands that in the fight between India and Pakistan to end terrorism, Hindu-Muslim unity has to be maintained in our country. After all, the BJP leader declared the Muslim religion itself as brothers and sisters of terrorism. This is not only an insult to Sofia, but also an insult to the Muslim community living all over India. After the Pahalgam incident, the way the Muslims of India have presented their presence in the country, every Indian is proud of that. This video of Vijay Shah is going viral very fast, in which he is seen saying that the one who has destroyed the vermilion of our daughters, we have sent his sister to do the same to him. Vijay Shah should be a little careful while saying this. How did Qureshi become his sister? Was it only because of the religion? This statement is not only controversial but also full of ignorance. Even an illiterate person would not say such a thing the way Vijay Shah has shouted it. When the matter escalated, he directly accused that his words have been presented in a distorted manner. We salute him, but this statement does not seem to be clamming down because this issue is such. This statement is not only controversial, this statement is not only about Hindus and Muslims, but this statement is of a very low level and very bad. No action is being demanded on this. Congress President Mallikarjun has called this statement very shameful and called it insulting to women. At the same time, he had also demanded from Prime Minister Modi to dismiss such a minister. On this statement of Madhya Pradesh Minister Vijay Shah, the Congress party is now demanding dismissal from PM Modi. Now it remains to be seen whether he does so, because he has sent this statement. He is not going to apologize because he has called the army and colonel the sister of terrorism. Congress State President Jitu Patwari has also said that do the BJP and the government agree with the statement of Minister Vijay Shah? If not, then sack him immediately. I will write a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, BJP President JP Nadda and the Chief Minister on this issue. If Minister Vijay Shah has given such a statement that no matter how much sleep one has on it, it is not worth speaking about anywhere. The thing is that if an illiterate person and said this, it could have been let go. But the person saying this is not any ordinary person, but a state minister. If the minister gets such statements, then it can be understood what level of understanding he has. You can easily guess that what level of sensitivity he has. You can also understand to what extent his statements are forgivable. This is not only a controversial but also a very serious and sensitive issue on which the minister has given such a statement that it is difficult to understand what words should be used to condemn it or what should be said. The Congress president himself is demanding resignation for this.